Hi, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I did a cotton candy inspired makeup look, also inspired by my new hairdo. So I thought that I would do a makeup look that embodies what my hair looks like. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, keep watching. Okay, so since I have this hair, I'm going to go in with the Mad for Matte Holy Smokes e.l.f. palette and the Mad for Matte Summer Breeze e.l.f. palette. And I'm going to use the teal in this palette and the purple plum color in this palette. And depending on how I feel, I might go in with a brighter pink to bring out the more magenta pink color that is in my hair. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and it's very dense. And I'm gonna go in with the teal in the Holy Smokes e.l.f. palette. And I'm going to go on the inner corner and I'm going to pack it on. I'm not going to swipe it or drag it out. I'm just tapping it on. To avoid fallout, which is when the pigment will fall onto your face, it's best to tap off the excess pigment into the pan. Before starting with eyeshadow, to get the best color payoff, you can put an eye primer on or concealer on your eyes, which would bring out the colors a lot more, or you can put a white cream base down if you're wanting to go for a bright color look. I just have powder on my eye, so I'm not getting the best color payoff, but it does blend a lot easier if you do have powder on or a transition shade. With the same eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna go in with Candy, which is this magenta shimmery, has some blue shimmer to it, in the e.l.f. 18 Hit Wonders palette. And I'm going to take my finger and I'm gonna put that in the center and the outer corner. I like using my finger for eyeshadow because it does put a lot of pigment onto my eye. And so putting it in the middle with the green kind of gives it a little bit of a purple color because it's more of a blue green rather than a green green. I'm gonna go in with Electric in that same palette, which is a matte royal blue on the inner corner, which makes it way more blue than green, which I really like. So with a fluffy blending brush, this is from Furless Cosmetics, I am going to go in with Supreme in the 18 Hit Wonders palette, which is this more reddish brick brown color. And I'm going to take that and run it along the crease slash brow bone, and I'm going to keep it high so it doesn't go over the bright colors. And I'm not even pushing that hard with the brush. And then I'm swiping it upward up to my eyebrow to blend it out. And the same with the other side. And I'm trying to blend it as high as I can. On the bottom lid, I'm going to go in with Velvet, which is this purple that has shimmer to it. I'm gonna use this Eco Tools dual-ended brush, and I'm gonna use the more dense side. And I'm gonna go in with Velvet, which is the dark purple in the 18 Hit Wonders palette. And I'm going to drag it along the bottom in short strokes. And I have to dip into the palette a couple times to get the best color payoff. So it looks it looks very scary right now because a lot of the dark is underneath. I'm gonna go in with the same Furless fluffy blending brush and not add any more pigment, and very lightly blend out that purple on the bottom lid. I blend it out a lot because I don't want any harsh lines, and when I put a liner on, it's going to bring a darker color to the top, which will lift my eyes up a little more. So in the waterline, I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild Idle Eyes Cream Shadow Pencil, and it has a little bit of a gold shimmer to it. I'm just going to put that in my entire waterline. So that is all I'm going to do for my eyeshadows. Next, I'm going to go in with eyeliner. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to go in with my NYX Matte Liquid Liner. It has a thin brush. And then I will go in with my Melt All Day, Every Day Ultra Matte Eyeliner and tightline my eyes. And then I will go and do the other eyeliner. So the inner corner I'm going to drag out, I decided just now. So I'll drag it and outline it like that, and then fill it in. I'll continue this with the angle that my liner is going, bring it to a point, and then drag this straight in, and then fill in the gap. That is my inner corner liner. For mascara, I'm going in with Too Faced Better Than Sex. So for a dramatic look, I'm thinking I need dramatic eyelashes. I'm going to use my Iconic eyelashes. So I finally just got new House of Lashes eyelash glue. I try to apply it by setting it down this way so they face up as much as possible. Before I put any eyeliner or eyelashes on, my lower lids looked like they were really low and droopy. So when I add lashes and eyeliner, it really makes my eyes elongated and round and open. So I think I'm going to change my lips. I actually really like taking off matte lipstick because it exfoliates my lips. So this is a baby blue lime crime. It's a matte lipstick and it's in the color Teacup. And I'm really feeling this blue color for a really colorful, dramatic look to go with my new colorful cotton candy vibes hair. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. So that is how I did my eyes and my lips. So that is the end of my tutorial. I had fun experimenting with color. If you want to see more makeup looks like this one or see anything else that you would like, leave a comment below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time.